everyone. I've got some exciting news to share about one of our favorite celebrity couples, Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively. Recently, Ryan revealed something really special about their family. As many of you know, Ryan, 47, and Blake, 36, have been happily married since 2012 and are parents to 4 wonderful kids. They've always been pretty private about their family, but during the New York premiere of Deadpool and Wolverine last week, Ryan let us in on a little secret.
With you, that I too have a son, and that if, boy, John, if I love him 1/10 as much as you love Jake, I feel like I've done a pretty damn good job.
Are you ready for this? Ryan and Blake have a son. Their 4th child, previously kept under wraps, is a little boy named Olin, who is now 1 year old. They join their 3 adorable daughters, James, 9, Inez, 7, and Betty, 4. Now, how did this big reveal happen? It's actually a touching story. Ryan shared the news in a heartfelt video supporting Walking for Hope. He talked about John Bell, a father from Nottingham, England, who tragically lost his young son but turned his grief into hope by raising awareness for his mental health charity. John's son was a huge Deadpool fan, and to honor his memory, John dressed as Deadpool and walked from England to Wrexham, Wales. This incredible act caught Ryan's attention. He met with John, and during their conversation, Ryan shared his deep admiration for John's love for his son. It was in this emotional moment that Ryan mentioned his own son, Olin. Ryan said, "I'm very grateful that you shared his story, and I want to share with you that I too have a son. I love him 1/10 times as much as you love Jake. I feel like I've done a pretty damn good job." John was moved and later expressed his gratitude on Instagram, posting a heartfelt message about how much it meant to him that Ryan shared his story and introduced Olin to the world during their interview. Back to that star-studded New York premiere, Ryan took a moment on stage to thank his wife Blake and their kids, James, Inez, Betty, and little Olin. He joked about hoping the movie would be the most traumatic thing in their wonderful lives, making the audience laugh. It was a sweet, genuine family moment. And here's a fun tidbit. Earlier this year, Ryan joked with Savannah Guthrie and Hoda Kotb today that they were waiting on their good friend Taylor Swift to pick out the baby's name. If you remember, Taylor has mentioned their daughters' names in her songs, James, Inez, and Betty. Last November, Ryan also shared that they don't find out the sex of their babies before they're born. He said, "I know girls, so I'm sort of kind of hoping that," but added, "I'm ready for whatever happens." Reflecting on welcoming baby number 4, Ryan humorously said, "We're very excited. You'd have to be a moron to do this 4 times if you didn't like it. It's gonna be nuts, but we're very excited." What a beautiful story of family and love. Congratulations to Ryan and Blake on their lovely family of 6. If you enjoyed this info, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more heartwarming updates. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Ryan Reynolds or Blake Lively moment?